came here with a very limited view of the scope of the coaching which was going to happen, and I ended up knowing the vastness and the depthness of this topic, and was very happy that this can be used in everyday life and not limited to any team or coaching or method of work or anything like that. I am very happy with that. I leave from here as a good learner as well as a good human being, probably a better coach tomorrow, but definitely a good human being. Thanks.
Hello. First of all, I would like to thank Vivek for the opportunity and the learning. I came, this is a 3-day workshop on the Agile Coach training. It happened in Chennai. And to touch on what we have learned in the past 3 days, there was a lot of unlearning. My objective is to learn about what are the characteristics or the skill required for the Agile Coach. Mostly, I think my whole agenda of attending the training has been fulfilled with a very simple approach, which gives a deeper understanding on the skills required, and also some of the mistakes that we did. There were some course corrections, more of an conversational way, explanations towards how we can improve the skills that we already have and where we can go from here. The guidance was there, and overall it's a very good experience for me personally, and I'm looking forward to implement it in the organization that I work for, and I hope the learning is going to continue from here. Thank you.
Hi, this is Karthik. First of all, let me thank Vivek for such a wonderful way of conducting workshop on Agile Coaching. This happened in Chennai during January 2018, and there were a lot of expectations that I came up with, and on learning different techniques and tips to gain tips on different techniques that can be implemented officially and personally as well. And there were a couple of instances where it was hard hitting, that broke a lot of mental models that I had, and there were a lot of takeaways from each day's session, and I would like to definitely look forward to have these implemented first personally, then I'll have it worked it out in my office. So thank you, Vivek, again. Have a good day.
Hi, I'm DINESH. I work for a leading MNC as a practicing Scrum Master as well as Agile Coach. I attended the Agile Coaching certification workshop in the period Jan 2018, Jan 26th, 27th, 28th. I came with an expectation of to learn what is right way of doing Agile coaching as such. Over the last 3 days, there is a phenomenal transformation in me, being as an individual, how a person to be, before even going and coaching. This training gave me an opportunity to reflect back as an individual. Am I credible to go and coach? So what are the nuances of being a coach has been taught very structured way, and we had a total engaging sessions where we have been given various role plays, and I want to personally thank and appreciate the effort shown by our trainer Vivek, where he has shared his experiences, the depth of knowledge he had in this area, as well as he gave us an opportunity to share our own experiences, where we had an egoless state, because unlike other trainings where trainer alone would be speaking and not letting us to participate, it is totally an experiential way of learning. So in that perspective, it opened up a lot of avenues to explore right from an individual, team and to an organization. I feel better now as an individual, as an Agile coach to practice. Now I have picked up the right skills to do the right way of coaching, and I'm confident I'll be able to apply this in the real world as such. Thanks once again for the Leanpitch as well as the trainer Vivek Jayaraman for giving and handling this session wonderfully, and look forward similar sessions in future. Thank you.
Hi, this is Indu. I chose Leanpitch because I have done a CSM before. I have a better experience with Leanpitch, and I came to learn about Agile Coaching just to know what industry says about Agile Coaching, but I have got a different perspective and a different way which turned me as a different human being than before the coaching. Thanks to Vivek, and I look forward to have this session continued in coming futures. Thank you.
Hey, I'm Bala. I'm Senior Program Manager in NARAYANAN. I think this Agile Coach coaching session, right, was really informative. A lot of learnings, right, and I feel, right, I mean that this is going to solve, right, a lot of problems for me back in the workspace.
Hi, I'm SHAFFI. I'm a consultant and coach Agile in Tech Mahindra. About this session was a great discovery for me. A lot of unlearning, a lot of new insights into what is coaching, and yeah, it was different. It was a great experience overall. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Rakesh. I'm a functional safety engineer in Vistion. Overall, I think this workshop was really great. I'm going to use it not just professionally but in the personal life as well. And Vivek was really good in explaining the concepts, and we also had a great team and an amazing interaction here. Thanks everyone.
Hi, this is ARSHIYA. I worked as a project management consultant for Ministry of Civil Service, Oman. This workshop was very, very interesting, and I feel it would be helpful in developing one's leadership skills, coaching skills, and also personality improvement. And to gain more out of it is we need to practice the things that we have learned here, and the energy level and enthusiasm of the coach Vivek is much appreciated, and I really enjoyed the team's participation. Good to know the complete team here. Thank you.
Hi everyone, I'm Rathi. I'm Associate Manager at Accenture, so I'm playing a Scrum Master coach in Accenture. About the session, it was a really wonderful coaching session, and the takeaway from the session is huge, and I'm going to implement the same in my personal as well as professional life. And I would like to thank Vivek for the wonderful session and the team as well. Thank you.
Hi, this is Charan. I'm working for Accenture as a Scrum Master. So the perception which I came in and what was taught was entirely different, but it was a good practice to everyone with improvements in what we need to communicate in terms of effective communication with the team members and individuals with real problems. And the training was really excellent. Good takeaways from the sessions.